Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jusever Oliver, 33 years old, married, blessed with two children, ages 14 and 8 years old. I graduated Bachelor of Elementary Education last 2018. I am a licensed professional teacher with 2 years experience as a volunteer teacher and 3 months experience as a substitute teacher at Brookside Elementary School and teaching grade 1 pupils ages 6 to 7 years old. I teach them how to read alphabet and read basic reading comprehension. I have local experience as a helper when I was in high school and in college. I lived at my aunt's house for 2 years with her 4 children. And as a working student, I have to make sure that I do the household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing clothes, washing dishes, washing clothes, um, watering plants, and also marketing. I have also 2 years experience as a nanny at my own nephew. He is only 2 years old and his parents is working out of the province. And as a nanny, I will make sure that he is safe and well taken care of. And for my future employer, please do hire me because I am hardworking, self-motivated, respectful, honest, and loyal. And I promise that you would not regret for hiring me because I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. And I also promise that I will love your family as my own family. Thank you.